Have your legs started feeling weaker, shakier, or more tired than before? Struggling with stairs or standing longer than usual? It's easy to blame age, but weak legs are actually a warning sign. Your body's way of telling you something's wrong. Ignoring this can lead to dangerous falls, loss of independence, or even life-threatening complications. Today, we'll reveal the 5 biggest reasons your legs weaken after 60, and, most importantly, how to fight back. We'll break down the science simply and give you practical steps you can start today. Quick disclaimer. This is for education only. Always consult your healthcare provider for personal advice. The most common cause of weak legs as we age is sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. After 30, and especially after 60, we lose muscle faster than we build it, leaving legs feeling heavy and weak. Signs include thinner thighs, quick fatigue, and that lead legs feeling when standing up. The fix? Strength training. Simple moves like squats, lunges, or standing from a chair signal your body to rebuild muscle. Pair this with protein at every meal: chicken, fish, eggs, beans, or Greek yogurt, to give your muscles the building blocks they need. Consistent movement plus a protein-rich diet can slow or even reverse muscle loss. You don't need to be a bodybuilder, just stay active and eat smart. Regain your strength and stability, one step at a time. Poor circulation is another major culprit. As arteries narrow with age, your leg muscles get less oxygen. Symptoms include cold feet, numbness, and cramping pain when walking that eases with rest. Classic signs of peripheral artery disease. The best remedy? Walk regularly. Even if it causes mild pain, walking helps your body build new blood vessels and improve flow. Stay hydrated, cut back on salt, and elevate your legs when resting. These simple changes can make a big difference. If you have persistent pain or numbness, see your doctor for a circulation check. Don't ignore these warning signs. Your legs depend on healthy blood flow. Nerve damage, or peripheral neuropathy, can make legs feel weak, tingly, or numb. Diabetes is a leading cause, but vitamin B12 deficiency and alcohol can also damage nerves. Watch for burning, pins and needles, or numbness, especially if you can't feel your feet well. Manage diabetes carefully, eat B12-rich foods like fish, eggs, and fortified cereals, and limit alcohol. If you notice persistent tingling or numbness, see your doctor for a diagnosis. Early action can prevent further nerve damage and keep you steady on your feet. Don't ignore these signals. Your nerves are your legs' lifeline. Sometimes leg weakness starts in your spine. Problems like sciatica or herniated discs can pinch nerves, causing pain, numbness, or weakness in one leg. If you notice sharp pain, foot drop, or weakness with back pain, your spine may be the source. Avoid long periods of sitting. Get up and stretch every 30 minutes. Use lumbar support and try gentle back stretches to relieve pressure. Sudden, severe weakness or loss of bladder control is a medical emergency. Seek help immediately. Protect your spine to protect your legs. Good posture and movement habits go a long way. Sudden leg weakness or cramps can be caused by an electrolyte imbalance, especially low magnesium or potassium. Dehydration, certain medications, or not eating enough nutrient-rich foods can trigger this. Eat bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, avocados, and nuts to boost potassium and magnesium. Stay hydrated. Water helps balance electrolytes and keeps muscles working. After exercise, rehydrate and consider a warm Epsom salt bath for sore muscles. If cramps or weakness persist, talk to your doctor before starting supplements. Keep your muscles firing with the right minerals and hydration. Weak legs are a warning. Don't wait for a fall to make a change. Exercise daily, eat more protein and nutrient-rich foods, drink plenty of water, and check your posture. Make walking a daily habit and avoid sitting too long. Small, consistent steps lead to stronger, steadier legs and a more independent life. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs stronger legs. Stay safe, stay strong, and see you next time.